and pneumatics. Then after I explain introduction of oil hydraulic and pneumatics and some of the basic machines in which hydraulics and the pneumatic systems are used that you see in your daily life. And I also explain the conditions for which the hydraulic system is used and the pneumatic system is used. And you also know what is the hydraulic systems and what is the pneumatic systems after watching this video. So first we understand the meaning of oil hydraulics and pneumatics. Okay, so this is one subject name, oil hydraulics and pneumatics. So when you read this, you separate into the two words. One is the oil hydraulics and second one is the pneumatics. Okay, but here I divide the three separate words. First is the oil, second one is the hydraulics, and third one is the pneumatics. So first word is the oil. Okay, so what is the oil? Oil is the viscous liquid which derive from the petroleum product. Okay, and the oil is generally used as a fuel or a lubricant in a various types of the machines. Okay, that you commonly study. Okay, so oil is one viscous liquids which derive from the petroleum product, and it is generally used as a fuel in a different types of the engines and different types of the power plants, and it is also used as a lubricant where the various part is the rotating. But in this hydraulics and pneumatic systems, oil is not used as a fuel. Okay, in a pneumatic system oil is used as a lubricant. Okay, but in a hydraulic system the oil is used as the working fuel. In short, it is also used for the power transfers. Okay, so generally all the people is know that the petroleum is used generally for the as a fuel and as a lubricant, but it is also possible that it is used as a power transfer. Now second, we understand what is the meaning of hydraulic. Hydraulic means liquid or a oil, means any liquid or a oil, either it is a water or any type of the liquids. Okay, then it is called as the hydraulics. Now what is hydraulic system? The system operated by using liquid or oil under a pressure, means liquid or oil have a certain higher pressure. Okay, and the system which use the liquid or oil under a pressure is called as the hydraulic systems. Means any system that is runs by using the liquid or oil, it is called as the hydraulic systems. So generally we use it at we use the pump at our homes to transfer the waters from the ground floor to the terrace. So pump is also one type of the hydraulic systems. Okay, then what is the pneumatic? Pneumatic means it is a gas or a air. So what is the pneumatic system? System operated by using gas or air is called as the pneumatic systems. Okay, air at not atmospheric pressure, but it is the compressed, means air have a certain higher pressure than the atmosphere. Okay, so any system operated by using gas or air is called as the pneumatic systems. Okay, so this is a basic difference between hydraulic and pneumatic systems. Okay, so in a hydraulic system we use the liquid or oil, that's why we require the pump to increase its pressure. Okay, so in any system that is a pump is there, that means it is a hydraulic system. And in pneumatic system, that is a working substance is gas or air. Okay, so when the gas or air is used, we need to the compressor to increase its pressure. So in any pneumatic systems we are required the compressors, and in any hydraulic systems we are required the pump. Now the basic examples of the hydraulic systems. Okay, here you see it is a hydraulic jack which is generally used where the puncture in this car. Okay, so this jack have the some oil is there, so that is called as the hydraulic systems. This is the hydraulic crane that is generally used to lift the heavy weights. Okay, so inside that is a hydraulic system is used. Here you see it is a cylinder is there. Okay, inside this cylinder that is a pressurized oil is supplied. Okay, so it is also called as the hydraulic system. It is the also a one type of the hydraulic jack that is generally used in a garage for the repairing of the car. Okay, so complete car is the lifted up. Here you see this is the JCB machines. It is generally used for the making the cavity And here you see this is the multi-layer parking. Inside this multi-layer parking, that is a hydraulic platform is used. Okay. So when this car is not available here, this hydraulic platform is moving down by using this oil under this pressure, and we put the car and this platform is again moving in upper directions. Okay, so these are the, I show you these basic common applications. There are also another lots of application is there. For the various application I make the separate video. Okay, so these are commonly you see, that's why I explained it here. So we fill the air inside the tires of the vehicles. Okay, for that we require a compressor. Here the very small manual operated compressor you see, it is called, generally we call the pump to fill the air. This is a various screwdriver used in the garage. Okay, that is automatic screwdriver is used, that is operated by using this compressed air. That is also called the pneumatic system. So here these images are the pneumatic. Here one of the drilling machine like device that is used to make the breaking the concretes, and that it is generally used in the mines. That is also the pneumatically operated. And this is the tool changers, or a loading and unloading of the tool is done by using the compressed air. Okay, so when we fill the tool here and it is removed by using this compressed air. Now we understand the introductions of the hydraulics and pneumatic subjects. So when you visit any industries, okay, that is the power transmitting systems are required. In any machines, the power transmission is there. Okay, so there are generally three methods are used to transmitting the power from the one point to the another. So first method is the mechanical transmission. Okay, in mechanical transmission means it is the motion transmissions. Okay, all these motion transmissions, they are required a shaft, gear, chain, and the belts. So power is transferred by using the shaft, gear, gearbox, chains, belt. Okay, it is called as the mechanical transmission system. Second, you see that is the electrical transmission. In electrical transmission, we transfer the electrical energy. Okay, for transmission of electrical energy, the wires and transformer are used. And the third one is the fluid power. In a fluid power, the power is transmitted through liquid or a gas in a confined space. Okay, so generally fluid means, people is thinking the fluid means liquid, but fluid means does not only liquid, it means liquid and gas. Okay, or gas or also the air. Okay, so one is the liquid. So any system operated by the liquid, it's called as the hydraulic system. Okay, and any system operated by the gas or air, it is called as the pneumatic systems. So hydraulic systems and pneumatic systems are come under the fluid power. Okay. Now here we understand the condition in which the hydraulic system is used and which condition the pneumatic system is used and why it is used. Okay. So if large force is required and a low speed is required, then the hydraulic system shall be selected for a power transmission. Okay, suppose we require a larger force at the low speed, we use the hydraulic system. Why? Because in hydraulic system we use the oil. Okay, and oil is generally incompressible. Its volume will not change with increase in pressures. So we are not changing the pressure of the oil with increasing its pressure. That's why it is called incompressible. So volume is never changed with increasing its pressure. Okay. So pressure can be increased to any amount, nothing happen to the volume of oil. So generally in hydraulic system, the pressure of the oil is up to the 500 bar or more than is also possible. Okay, in every system not the 500 bar is used, but up to 500 bar it is possible to use. Okay, more the pressure of oil, more will be the force is developed. Means higher the pressure, higher the force is developed. So what is the equation of the force developed for the hydraulic system? So force developed by this hydraulic system is equal to pressure of the oil into the area of the piston. Okay, so force developed is directly proportional to the pressure of the system. So we increase the pressure of the oil, force developed by the system is increased continuously. Okay, so if we use the high pressure oil, then we are able to use the we are able to generate the more force. Hydraulic systems are slower in operations because the oil has the more viscosity. So more viscosity means oil are not flow quickly. Okay, it's go slowly. So power transmission is also done at the slow speed. Okay, So generally we are need to lift the heavy weights or a larger force. At that time we use the hydraulic system. Why? Because in hydraulic systems we are able to create the high pressure of the oil. Yeah. So oil cannot flow faster as compared to the air. Next is the pneumatic systems. In a pneumatic system is used in a condition in which we are required a less force at the higher speed. Okay. So when we require the less force with the higher speeds, we use the pneumatic systems. Here the hydraulic system is written, but it is the pneumatic systems only selected. Okay. So it is by mistake here written hydraulic system. As air is compressible in nature, compressible means when we increase its pressure of the air, at that time its volume is reduced. Okay. So we are not able to increase its pressure more. It has the certain limits. So it cannot be pressurized to large amount of the pressure because its volume is continuously reduced with increasing its the pressure. Since the pressure of compressed air is less than compared to the oil, pneumatic systems are the faster in operations because air has a very low viscosity. Low viscosity then its flow with very high speeds. So its operation is also faster. And in hydraulic system it is the low speed. It can flow very quickly because its viscosity is less, and viscosity is less is moving with the higher velocities. As the cylinder is extended, means when we open the outlet valve, the air is quickly move and fill the cylinders. Means it is a quick process. Okay, so I make it this video